I'm Little Donut, and this is my cousin.
Yeah.
Hello. And now we are gonna explain a dumb story.
Yeah.
So we can entertain all of you guys.
Yeah.
So let's start off with your dumb story.
But first, you must like and subscribe to Lil Donut and make sure to comment and share.
He's right, man.
And please support us so we can reach
100 subscribers.
and that is our dream.
like literally. So
Yeah.
let's go. Now what's
So-
your dumb story?
So my dumb story that when I was a baby, I just eat a cockroach like when I was 1. And my first word is mama when I was 1. And how about you, Mac?
When I was at fourth grade, I was sliding with my socks in the school hallway, and suddenly I slipped, and my head. Oh my god! I can't even explain it. Like this is my head, and this is the ground. It just
Wow.
like that.
That's,
I almost saw Jesus, like literally. So, how about you again?
okay. So my worst what I did is to touch a cat and make it angry. And then he accidentally scratched my own arm. It was here and now it was fully healed and next your mouth.
And that's actually related to my story too. I got bit by my dog because we were playing, like literally playing. Like I'm doing this to him, and he suddenly bit my arm, like right here, and we got into the bed. So we can, clean the wound and take out the rabies in my arm.
Yeah,
So-
like he inject.
Yeah. So that's all. That's all for today, guys.
Yeah,
So let's go. So this is the best video ever.
and make sure to like and subscribe, comment and share. And this is our video. And that's it. Bye.
Bye.